Hey, gadget lovers, upgrades your home security, convenience, and your own peace of mind in ways you didn't know were possible. But first of all, make sure to use our links in the description below because they're going to take you to the latest discounts for every product we talk about. Let's go. Number 5. The Yamery Fingerprint Smart Knob. We'll get this show on the road in the high-value domain with Yamery. This is a true 6-in-1 versatile keyless entry lock. You can unlock it using a fingerprint, a Bluetooth app, personalized passcodes, key fobs, a traditional mechanical key, and even Alexa voice control with an optional Wi-Fi gateway. That means everyone in the household can choose their preferred method. Installation is designed to be quick and effortless, reportedly taking just about 10 minutes for most standard American wooden doors with just a screwdriver, and the reversible handle fits both left and right-handed doors. For landlords or Airbnb hosts, the app lets you remotely generate one-time passcodes for visitors and manage access seamlessly. Number 4. The Sifely Fingerprint Smart Door Lock. Next up is the Sifely Smart Lock, another strong contender that blends family-friendly features with rental property readiness. It offers similar keyless entry methods: fingerprint, backlit keypad, app, key fob, and a physical key. It's highlighted as being ideal for kids, parents, and elderly users who want to ditch physical keys. For hosts, the ability to instantly generate guest codes via the app or a web portal is a major plus. Like the Yamery, it promises a DIY installation in minutes with a reversible handle and no extra drilling. Where it shines is in its smart home readiness, being compatible with both Alexa and Google Assistant, though it does require Sifely's separate Wi-Fi gateway for full remote access and voice control. Number 3. The Philips Wi-Fi Keypad Door Lock. Stepping up in both price and integrated technology, we have the Philips 4200 series. This lock stands out with its built-in Wi-Fi, meaning there's no need to purchase a separate hub or bridge to control it from anywhere. You connect it directly to your 2.4 GHz home network and manage everything through the Philips app: locking, unlocking, checking access history, and managing user codes and fingerprints in real time. It features a blazing fast 0.3-second fingerprint unlock and supports versatile passcode options like one-time, periodic, and recurring codes. A standout feature is the auto-lock function you can customize from 0 to 180 seconds, so the door locks itself behind you, perfect for forgetful moments. It also comes as a complete handle set for a sleek, all-in-one look on your front door. Number 2. The Eufy Security Smart Lock C220. Our runner-up is the Eufy Smart Lock C220, and it's a powerhouse of reliability and smart integration. This lock also features built-in Wi-Fi with no bridge required, letting you control it remotely via the UFI security app. Its headline feature is a self-learning AI fingerprint sensor that gets more precise every time you use it, promising unlocks in less than 1.5 seconds without awkward failed attempts. Eufy boasts an impressive 8-month battery life from standard AA batteries, which is a significant advantage. You get 6 ways to unlock: fingerprint, app, keypad, physical key, Apple Watch, or voice with Alexa/Google. It's built tough with an IP53 waterproof rating and sends alarms for unusual opening attempts. If you're already in the UFI ecosystem with their doorbells or cameras, this lock integrates seamlessly for unified routines. Number 1. The Yale Security Assure Lock 2. Taking our top spot is the Yale Assure Lock 2. Yale is a legendary name in security, and this Wi-Fi model brings that trust into the smart home era. Its key-free access is comprehensive. Use the keypad, the Yale Access app, your voice assistant, or a unique feature called Auto Unlock, where the door unlocks hands-free as you approach. It also includes DoorSense technology, which doesn't just auto-lock but can tell if the door is properly closed, so you'll never worry again if it's truly locked. The installation is a straightforward, no locksmith needed process for most standard doors. While it works on a robust 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, it's important to note it's designed for the US and Canada. The Yale Access app allows you to lock up, let someone in, share access, and receive notifications from anywhere. It represents a premium, thoughtful, and incredibly convenient smart lock experience. You're investing in a robust system with a proven brand, intuitive features, and a design that genuinely makes you stop thinking about your front door. For a complete, worry-free upgrade to keyless living, the Yale Assure Lock 2 is our top pick.